We'll guide you through how to compare Figma and SH Figuarts effectively using their current features and offerings as of 2025-2026. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the official Figma website. Figma is primarily a design tool focused on UI, UX design, collaborative design work, and prototyping. It's known for its real-time collaboration capabilities, allowing multiple users to work on the same project simultaneously, which is a big advantage if you're working in a team environment. You can explore its interactive components, design systems, and plugins, which make it a versatile choice for digital design projects. Next, open another tab and visit the SH Figuarts website. SH Figuarts is a completely different product, focusing on high-quality articulate action figures. They are known for their detailed craftsmanship and posability, appealing mostly to collectors and enthusiasts of pop culture merchandise. What you want to look at is the product range, the level of detail, and the articulation points that differentiate them from other action figure brands. It's key to understand that while Figma is software used for creating digital interfaces, SH Figuarts offers tangible products for collectors. So if your goal is to create and collaborate on digital designs, Figma is your go-to tool. However, if you're into collecting figures with a high level of detail, SH Figuarts is what you should explore. Remember, these two are not competitors but serve different needs entirely. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.